1. Let's make some cookies. 2. Time for bed, kiddo. 3. Can you help me clean up this mess? 4. Let's read a book together. 5. How was school today? 6. Let's go outside and play. 7. Can you please pick up your toys? 8. Let's have a picnic in the backyard. 9. Who wants to paint a picture? 10. Can you help me fold the laundry? 11. Let's build a fort. 12. It's time for a bath. 13. Who wants to go for a bike ride? 14. Can you please set the table for dinner? 15. Let's play a board game. 16. Time for a snack break. 17. Where's Daddy? 18. Let's plant some flowers. 19. Can you help me water the plants? 20. Let's have a dance party. 21. Who has broken this glass now? 22. Let's play hide and seek. 23. It's time for some quiet time. 24. Can you please feed the pets? 25. Let's have a movie night. 26. Who wants to go for a walk? 27. Let's make some homemade pizza. 28. Can you please help me sweep the floor? 29. Let's have a tea party. 30. Who wants to make some lemonade? 31. Let's have a talent show. 32. It's time to practice your instrument. 33. Can you help me put away the groceries? 34. Let's have a science experiment. 35. Who wants to bake some muffins? 36. Let's take a break now. 37. It's time for some yoga. 38. Can you please water the plants? 39. Let's make some popsicles. 40. Who wants to have a snowball fight? 41. Let's build a Lego tower. 42. It's time for some coloring. 43. Can you help me fold the towels? 44. Let's have a treasure hunt. 45. Who all will help me now? 46. Let's play dress up. 47. It's time for a puzzle. 48. Can you please help me vacuum the rug? 49. Let's make some homemade ice cream. 50. Who wants to go on a nature walk? 51. Let's find it out now. 52. It's time to learn a new game. 53. Can you help me make apple juice? 54. Let's have a water balloon fight. 55. Who wants to help me plant a tree? 56. Let's make some friendship bracelets. 57. It's time for a board game tournament. 58. Can you please help me wash the dishes? 59. Let's have a cup of tea. 60. Who wants to learn a new dance? 61. When will you be back? 62. It's time for some homework. 63. Don't bother me like that. 64. Let's have a puppet show. 65. Who wants to help me bake some cupcakes? 66. Let's make some snowmen. 67. It's time for some drawing lessons. 68. Can you please help me clean the windows? 69. Let's have a silly photo shoot. 70. Whose colors are lying on the floor? 71. Let's build a kite. 72. It's time for some meditation. 73. Could anyone please hold it for a sec? 74 Let's have a talent show. 75 Who wants to help me make a fruit salad? 76 Let's make some paper dolls. 77 It's time for some puppet making. 78 Can you please help me fold the clothes? 79 Let's have a teddy bear picnic. 80 Where have I kept the car keys? 81 Do you get it? 82 It's time for some clay modeling. 83 Can you help me make some Play-Doh? 84 Let's have a storytelling session. 85 That's my boy. 86 Let's make some paper flowers. 87 It's time for some DIY crafts. 88 Never say those words again. 89 Let's have a family game night. 90 Don't be an idiot. 91 Let's build a mini garden. 92 It's time for some face painting. 93 Can you help me make coffee? 94 Let's put away all this stuff. 95 Where have you been, Sam? 96 Stop doing that right now. 97 That's so cheap. 98 It's time for some storytelling through puppetry. 99 Today was awesome. 100 Who wants to create a nature collage? So, dear students, this was day 25 of JEFY Javed's English for You. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, comment, and share this video. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.